Welcome to Little Juniors! Hi there!
One morning, Mia, Leo, and Zara found something very exciting waiting for them in their classroom.
What is that thing? I think it is a robot.
I think it is a robot. Wow, hello there! Hello, my name is Pixel. I am an artificial intelligence. You can call me AI for short. What is AI? Great question, Leo. What exactly is artificial intelligence?
Let's find out. Let's find out!
AI is like a book that has read millions of other books and learned from all of them.
Oh, like how I get smarter when I read.
AI is made by real people, engineers, scientists, and programmers.
I did not appear by magic. Humans created me. So you were made by people just like us? So you are like a super calculator. Silly Pixel, that is not right. We must follow the rules. Yes, we really must. Leo was still a little nervous about Pixel. Is a smart computer friend something to be scared of? Let us find out. Are you a friendly robot? I am Pixel, your friend. Haha, you are pretty cool, Pixel. Wow, we are all going to be the best of friends.
We did it! We are the best team ever!
I am so happy to see you all.
Now that we know what a smart computer friend is, how do we use it wisely and safely? Pixel has some important tips. Always ask your parents and teachers before you act.
Great job, everyone!
We can do it! Count me in! Let's get started.
Never share your personal information in public platforms.
Prasserly literature.
Always check what I tell you with a book or a trusted grown-up, because I can sometimes be wrong.
Remember to take breaks from your computer friend. Go outside, play, read a book, and spend time with family. Too much screen time is not good for you. Always ask a grown-up, keep your details safe, check the answers too, take a break and go outside. That is the right thing to do! What an amazing day! Today we learned that a smart computer friend is a tool made by people. It can make mistakes, so always check. You are all so smart! Did you meet our new friend Pixel today?
We had so much fun!
If you liked our video, please subscribe to Little Juniors.
See you next time, friends. Never miss our next adventure. See you next time, friends. Let us keep learning together.